Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct the user how to create a new custom report using an existing report template. Note, the application comprehensive report is our master template with the most fields. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Setup tab. Then click on the Reports subtab. Then select Report Sets. This will open the Report Set page. Click on the Add New Report button. This will open the New Report dialog box. Select the report template you want to copy. Enter the name you are giving your new report. Note, report names cannot be duplicated or changed once created. Click the Save button. To begin configuring your report, select the report you just created from the Report Set drop-down. Once the report is selected, the Setup template page will display. You may now make changes to the report. Please refer to the video entitled Reports: Modifying Existing Report Templates for detailed instructions on how to modify the information in this report. For now, here's an overview of important information that may be helpful when customizing your report. Components. Under the Components section, you may put a check in the Details box to only include the details of a report, or put a check in the Summary box to only include the summary data. You may also select both. Date scope. If you choose to select a specific date type, for example, application date, the report will be based on that date. If you choose not to select a date type in this field, leaving it on the selectable date default, the user will have the ability to choose the date when running the report. Formula fields. Under the Formula Fields tab, when a custom report field is created, you have a choice between types of formulas. The options are a percentage, which will display a percent value, currency, which will display a dollar value, date difference days, which will display the difference between dates, for example, how long it takes between approval date and fund date, numerical, which will display a general number, for example, account, and report working time, the time from when you set yourself as the working user until the time an application was decisioned. Filter. Under the Filters tab, if the user selects an option for one or more available filters, this report will run by always selecting that fixed option. If no option is selected, it will appear on the report table as a drop-down list option. Summary rows. Within the Display Settings tab, if there is a check in the Show Totals and Averages in Separate Rows box, it will display averages and totals in separate rows on the report. This may be useful when running a details report, where you would like to see the average and total at the end. Note, if you see Apply Patch when accessing report sets, please click on Apply Patch at the end of the day for an after-hours patch. Report Preferences. Report Preferences only applies to reports created from the application's comprehensive report template. Report Preferences allows you to select up to 3 custom fields to be made available as an aggregation option in reports. To add a report preference, select the Setup tab from the sidebar menu. Click on the Reports subtab. and then Preferences. Select Schema Names from the first drop-down boxes. Select Custom Fields from the second drop-down boxes. Note: the fields chosen will appear as field number 0, field number 1, or field number 2 when trying to aggregate. Click Save Changes. How to disable report templates. Once a report is created, custom reports cannot be deleted. If you no longer wish for a report to appear within the Run Reports drop-down list, Disable functionality should be used. Click on the Setup tab from the sidebar menu. Select the Reports subtab, and then Report Sets. From the Report Set drop-down, select the report you want to disable. On the Setup page, there is an Enabled button. Click it to disable the report. Click Save Changes. Your report is now disabled and will no longer appear within the Run Report selection. However, it will still appear in the Report Set drop-down if you want to enable it again. To re-enable a report, simply click on the Disabled button. Then Save Changes. Note: if you see Apply Patch when accessing report sets, it means that changes have been made to the reports database, which requires you to run an after-hours patch. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.